Hey guys, wrapping up a evening turkey hunt here. Haven't seen a single bird all day. I did, however, pass by a pretty useful plant on the way in. And if any of you guys out there, hikers, backpackers, hunters, campers, anybody who spends a lot of time outside, something you're probably going to want to know about. So stick around and I'll show you what's going on. This is mullein. If you've never seen it before, which I'm pretty sure you have, it's really soft velvety leaves. They got kind of a greenish gray tint to them, maybe. I've seen them look kind of white as well. Everybody's got it in their yard. It's a weed in eastern United States where we're at now. Now, if you're walking around looking to ID mullein, the best habitat to find it would be someplace that's direct sunlight. Meadows, edges of cornfields. Really likes disturbed soil. So any place where there's constantly being torn up, side of the road, you'll see these plants grow 7-8 feet tall sometimes. And during the hot summer months, we'll have a big stalk on them full of little yellow flowers. Makes them pretty easy to identify. Why do I say that everybody should know this plant, or that you're going to want to know this plant? Well, it's got a lot of uses. I know the Native Americans used to dry out the leaves and smoke them, and they used to cure whooping cough and bronchitis and things like that by drying these out and smoking them. Never done it. Now, I want to make it clear right now that I do not recommend going out into the woods and smoking random things that you find. This plant has a lot of anti-inflammatory and antiseptic uses. A poultice of this can be put on minor burns, skin irritations. I don't think I'd use it on a cut. Bruises, help the swelling. This plant can be boiled to create a tea, and that tea can be used to treat sore throats. Now, none of that is any reason why I say that anybody should know this plant. Why I say that everybody should know this plant is because this makes outstanding toilet paper. Everybody says they're going to go out in the woods and they're just going to take a crap and they're going to use leaves to wipe with, and they think that's all going to be fine and dandy, and it is until you get out there and you actually try. Now, the best thing I can compare it to is if you've ever spilt anything and didn't have anything to clean it up and tried to use a regular old sheet of college ruled notebook paper to wipe it up, it just kind of smears it around the table. And that's pretty much what's going to happen if you try to use a leaf, and even more so forbids you use the wrong leaf and poison ivy, and who knows where that can. Anyways, guys, it's definitely something you should be aware of. If you gotta go, this is the plant to look for and the plant to grab. I know it's got a lot of other uses. I don't know how many of you will actually get into using those uses, but good to know. And you probably should be aware that mullein does have a couple lookalikes. One is lamb's ear. Lamb's ear and mullein are pretty easy to tell apart. Like I said, mullein feels velvety. The lamb's ear is more of a silky feel. The other one is foxgrove. Now, foxgrove you'll be able to tell apart because the leaves will be different. They have, I know that you can see the ridges in this, but they have more defined ridges. The leaves are shaped a little different. Both of which are pretty hazardous, so I recommend better stay away from them. Hey, thanks for taking time and watching Swamp Thing Outdoors. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. As always, God bless and take care.